Hey, welcome back everybody. You're listening to Paul Motley here. It's the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Podcast, and today is going to be a little minor secret, okay? Little tip for you so that you can go and get people into your funnels, into your sales, you buy your affiliate products or anything else like that, or pretty much anything, right? So I watched a case study literally yesterday, which talked about, as we all know, to get people to buy from you or even to buy through you, people need to know, like, and trust you. Okay, right. So let's try this one as a test. If you want to run it, that's entirely up to you. But someone else has done the running for us here. So, you can say, okay, right, well, someone else has tested this. It worked for them. So hopefully it'll work for me. Now, what they did was they actually warmed the traffic up using ads, right? So what they did was actually put out videos in their ads and ran it for in-stream only, right? So when you go to Facebook ads, you've got a whole bunch of different placements you can use, but they used in-stream only. And what they were finding was that they could get incredibly cheap views. So you are just optimizing for video views when you go ahead and do this. And what they were finding was that you were getting amazingly cheap views. Yeah. So you could throw $100 at it, $50, $500, whatever your budget is, to start building up a warm audience. Because guess what? You can actually create an audience through Facebook of people who watched your videos. Yeah. So if you've got a Facebook business page, you put a video on it, you can create an audience, and you can do that using ads as well. So you can actually prime it to start with and make your audience by using an in-stream video ad. And then you're marketing to everyone that's watched that video for a certain length of time. Now, it makes sense for the people that have watched all of the videos, right? So if you think about it, run the test, create your audiences, and then look at it for everyone that's watched up to 50%, 75%, and then 100%. And actually run that for a few days and see how that works for you. So you can actually start building a warm audience straight off the bat. So anyway, that's a short tip for you today. See how you get on with it. Let me know, and it'd be super cool. But as before, by the way, we are doing these podcasts every day, so I try and drop these little nuggets in there once in a while just to help you out in your business. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Make sure you subscribe, listen to the rest of the podcast, because there's a whole bunch of stuff just like this right there and then.